To care for your SimplyGo Mini, you should clean the exterior covers of the device and rechargeable batteries after each use. Turn the device off and disconnect the power source. Take the device out of the carrying case. Remove the battery. Wipe the battery and battery bay with a dry cloth. Clean the device exterior using a damp cloth and mild household cleaner. Do not spray cleaners directly onto SimplyGo Mini, and be careful not to allow any liquid into the controls, case, or connectors. Wipe the device dry and restore the battery. With proper care and use, SimplyGo Mini will provide reliable performance and give you the confidence you need to get up and go. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.